Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently watching people playlists, so 6 videos. Oh, so this one has already finished, so what I'll do is just restart it. Anywho, I'm watching people playlists, and what I really wanted to talk to you all about was, remember when I written this out? Well, I rewrote this a couple of times so it can be clear. So we have savings, emergency fund, and rainy day, and what they are for, or what the purpose of them would be for. So I'm just going to let this show for a minute, and if you do need to take a screenshot, go ahead and do so. And remember where, Jasmine, what are you doing? Leave that alone. Oh my goodness, here we go again, y'all. I'm sorry. So we have my sinking fund. So we have car maintenance, bless you, home stuff, which would pretty much be household stuff, fun, which would include vacation, things like that, medical stuff, and prosperous funds would be things like my rainy day fund, my emergency fund, month ahead, things like that. And then a family ties binder, which is for family related things. So I wanted to initially have 5 binders, but instead I came up with this. Hold on. Okay, so we have my A5 binder, which everything in that binder will be in the bank. So we'll have car maintenance, home stuff, just like I said, fun, medical stuff, prosperous fun, family ties, of course self-care, and rainy day, which would look like this. Okay, so we have my A5 binder and my tracker behind it. So let me get my tracker out. So my goal for car maintenance, and this is when I started this tracker, $529.24. So I want $600 in car maintenance for the year, along with what I already have in it. Of course, these trackers right here are from Simple Shops. For the prosperous fund, which at first I named it Grateful for Money, I wanted a full balance of $10K for the year, and my current balance was $5K, which my current balance is a little over $5K now. And even though I paid off my Navy Federal credit card, I do want to put as much as I can into this fund right here. And I do have a tracker in the back. Next we have home. Home didn't have any when I started writing everything out. I did want to have a minimum of 500. Now this is for household homey, homey stuff, not new home. And then we have health and Jasmine. As you can see, I've really been using this tracker here. Like, whoops. So the money that's in here now is for the dentist. And so far I do have $400. And remember, I do have a dental visit at the end of August. That's going to cost $488. But I'm just going to round up to $490. Jasmine, what are you doing? Oh boy. So as you can see, I've been adding to it pretty much, so I've been doing good there. Let me put this tracker up. Hold on. Next we have fun, and fun would be considered things like my trip that I have with my friends next year. Remember, I did have $200 there. And my goal was to have a total for the year $600. No, this doesn't have anything in it. Oh, yes it do. It has a few dollars. Let's see. So maybe about $1, $2, $3, $5. So let me go ahead and put that up. So this one right here should be for family. As you can see, I have not filled it out, and I keep this in there because, well, I just haven't did anything with it. It was from Simple Shop's 3-year anniversary. So I just written on this to where I can take some water and erase this. This is for special occasions, so that would be things like birthdays and such. And I did end up ordering, how many more of these I have? So I have 2 more of these that I can use. Most likely one would be for a month ahead, and the second one would be for something else. I just don't remember. Okay, so I'm back. I had to take all of this out. So I want to have a vacation binder, and this is the dashboard. All of these envelopes, which you can't see just yet, are from Gina Renee RM Budgets. And if you missed her Instagram sale, check out her Etsy shop. So with the I gotta get away binder, which would be my vacation binder, we have an envelope for transportation, and I just pretty much color in what I want and mark how many that I want to color in and just put the amounts that I want them to be. We have one for lodging, we have one for food, we have one for shopping, and one for activities. Hold on, let me get this up. Okay, for my next binder, which would be a A6, I want it to be a self-care binder. So we have an envelope for beauty. I would use that to pay for getting my hair done. Personal care, I would just use that for personal things. Luxury would be something I want, such as a new backpack, a new bag. Then we have wardrobe for clothing, wellness stuff, and pamper. I can use that for maybe date night. Hold on, let me put these up. Last, we have the end of life envelopes. So it has a dashboard that say end of life decisions should not be made at the end of life, which is 1000% true. So we have one for life insurance, a will or POA, one for headstone, one for service, and one for cemetery plot. Now, hold on. So here are 3 things from that set that I just showed that I'm not going to use, which is cremation, urn, and another dashboard. If you would like this, and of course I'll send it out to you for free, leave in your comment hashtag #1 and put what time you saw this video, and that way I'll go ahead and send it out to you. Reach out to me, well, I'll reach out to you so you can send me your address, and then I'll send this out. So we went over the A5 for savings, talked about the vacation envelopes, the self-care envelopes. Of course, my holiday envelope looks like, well, the holiday binder looks like this. So I got this binder from Soul Mama. Definitely check out my description box. The holiday binder is from Danny at Simple Shops. Here's a table of contents, and this is what everything looks like. We have pretty much all the holidays. Did I say holler? Okay, Madea. Holidays, Father's Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, Veterans Day, Juneteenth. So hold on. And then we have long-term saving challenges, which would be things like a new car. Even though my car is a 2023 that I got in 2022, eventually I will need a new vehicle, and I don't know, hopefully 10 years. That will be great. Dream home, just random savings, cash for retirement. Of course, the end of life, I'm going to put that in the long-term savings, medical, and month ahead. Next, let me show you this other binder, which you've seen in the past. If you remember this, then you know I won this binder in a giveaway from Salisa over at Beautifully Me and You. I did attempt to fill this out for my niece, which have already graduated. I did tell my best friend that I'll attempt to save money for her twins that just went to high school. They just started school maybe 2 weeks ago. So when they graduate in 4 years, I'll just split the money between the two. Of course, I wouldn't be able to save for both at the same time, but it's something, right? So I told her that I was going to do this for them. Last, I went through my envelopes, and as much as I love these envelopes, I'm not going to use them. So we have spending, groceries, and these are A6, travel, family, household, entertainment, restaurants, whatever, and self-care. So I made a exclusive decision that I would like to go ahead and gift these away. I know it's shocking because I said I probably would never do that, y'all. I had these envelopes, I believe, since 2020, if I'm not mistaken, and I've had them and I love them so much, but I think they could go to someone that could actually use them and will use them. So if you would like these, leave a hashtag number 2 in the video, and let me write that down. Let's see, hashtag number 1. Hashtag number 1 was what? Okay, end of life. Hashtag number 2, A6 envelopes. And I have one more thing that I'm not going to use. Let's see, hold on. So we have a random sticker kit. We have this cash tracker from 2 Moms Budget. You all remember her, Amber. And we have a bank teller slip from 2 Moms Budget. We have this challenge from Liz. You all remember the struggle game that we all struggled on. So I have that, and I have 1,000, 1,000 in prop money, some more prop money, 1,000, 5s, 10s, 100s. So if you would like this one, comment the hashtag, what number we're on, 1, 2, 3. So comment hashtag number 3 within your comment, and I will reach out to you to get your information. I will pay for shipping. I definitely don't want to throw this stuff away when I know someone can use it, you know. So that's all I have for right now. That's how I want to do my savings, and going forward, since I've paid off one credit card with my emergency fund, I want to, of course, make sure I add that money back in to the emergency fund. Make sure I knock out the second credit card from Discover. Remember, that card does have a 0.90 interest rate until January, so I'm good when it comes to interest. I don't have to be in such a rush. I'm hoping, since I do start back working overtime next week, hopefully everything can go smooth and I can get that card taken care of by the end of September. Remember, I do have this dental visit at the end of August. I have a retina specialist appointment in September as well. Hopefully I can be on the smoother side with everything, but that's all I wanted, you all. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I feel like it's been long enough, and Travis' birthday is tomorrow, but he don't know I took off Friday and Saturday, so I'll be off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And I hope you all have a great day. Happy saving. And remember, also, thank you all to the ones that's been watching my playlist, letting my playlist run. If you've ran one video, that's helpful. So thank you, thank you, thank you. As of this morning, I have 3,113 watch hours. So hopefully I can get to 4K watch hours before September the 18th. I hope you all have a great night. Bye.